All right, hey everybody, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. We are back from Woodmizer. It was a pretty fun show overall. I got to run two of the machines, the two that I potentially would be interested in. Some of them just way out of our price range, and for what I want to do here on the farm, this probably wouldn't be cost effective. If things change, I'd happily upgrade to any of them. Hey everybody, it's Matt and my dad Frank at Woodmizer. It's leap year or leap day, and we're here checking out Sawmill. We're gonna see what they have. Okay, so this is the LT15.
It's a 7.5 horse motor.
So talking to the guys in the shop, they just said that this is the first electric one they've had here at the shop.
We're going to turn the log now. Turn it.
the 40 that does a 28-inch width of cut, 46-inch diameter log, or the wide head option, which is on this too, which does a 36-inch diameter log, 34-inch width of cut. We do have the diesel 35 Yanmar on this unit. It comes standard with the 38 gas Kohler. That is the 2 power plants for these units. We have the remote option on this, so up until this point we've been walking back and forth with the heads. This one here will be stationary and controlling everything from that remote station. So hydraulics and all the functions will be in that box there. This has a board drag back on it. So once you get through the cut, you can drag the board back to yourself and or to an off bearer, and then you can then take it from there and go to an edger and or onto your stack. This also has a debarker option on it. So this mill here, as you see it today, this LT50, this is pretty much a loaded mill. There's not really another option you can put on this sawmill. So the debarker, the upgraded diesel, and the remote option. So we'll make some cuts here. We'll go through the log handling. You will notice this is going to be a lot faster log handling. Obviously, the bigger the mill you go, the faster you get into functions, whether it's sawing, log handling, and that's how you're getting obviously the production of 1 foot per hour now. So the only mill larger than this, portable-wise, that we make would be the LT70. It's going to have very similar functions as far as the bed goes. It's going to have the chain turner, vertical side supports. Log capacity is going to be the same, 36-inch diameter, but it comes with a 55 horse Yanmar diesel on it and a different remote type station. Wow. So we'll make some cuts on this and go from there.
So they gave us this goodie bag, flyer, another flyer, So like that would be awesome to get. You know, a whole bunch of information about their products. But let me get to, so this is their catalog of what they have. Let me show you. Alright, we are getting there. Alright, so this was the mill I was looking at. The LT15. It can cut up to 28 inches wide, but this is the LT15 just wide. This can cut up to 36 inches. I guess I'm thinking long term for the mill. Talking to a number of the guys that are just Woodmizer customers, they have mills. They were buying more accessories for their mills, like the edgers or planers, and just to up their game where they're at. They drove even further than I did, or my dad and I. We drove about 5 hours to get there, and some of these people drove 6, maybe 7 hours. So they did have some good deals going on, but ultimately I walked away. I got 2 quotes, one for the wide and one for the standard LT15. And so they both ended up being, the smaller one was $8,126 and the other one $10,562. So that's with tax and me picking it up. So I kind of thought, being that they, looking at their website, looking through their catalogs, they would have had like a stack of them, you know, at least 4 or 5 ready to go out the door. They didn't. All right, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully this helps someone with their mill, or if they're looking to buy a mill. And if I get one, I'll definitely go over it and all the pluses and minuses of why I picked whichever one I end up picking here for the property. There's just a ton of options, and it really comes down to how deep your pockets are. But hopefully this video helped out somebody looking at a mill. So hit subscribe, like, and all that other stuff, and I'll see you next video.